In today's practice of medicine, prevention is the usual mode, no, that is recommended to many individuals. And so there is this fad of fitness and wellness. Now, part of fitness and wellness is having natural things as your supplement or nutrition provider. And the best way to do this is to administer to individuals who want fitness and wellness those natural supplements. And so, therefore, natural supplements are the ones that strengthen the immune system of the individual. It strengthens the individual's resistance to infection and even to viruses or other predisposing factors that eventually lead to cancer, hypertension, diabetes, very common ailments in our society nowadays. So, prevention is by way of natural supplementation. The main difference, aside from the technical aspect, no, wherein gelatin capsules are thicker and sturdier versus veggie capsules that are thinner. Okay, they are the coverings of our supplements. Since gelatin capsules are sturdier and thicker, then it follows that when you take a capsule with gelatin covering, it does not dissolve in the stomach. Now, why is it important that it does not dissolve in the stomach? Because actual absorption of nutrients takes place in the first part of the small intestine. So, it passes to the stomach, and it is in the intestine where the gelatin capsules are dissolved, and therefore, the nutrients are 100% absorbed by the blood in the small intestine. Contrary to that, veggie caps, on the other hand, since they are thinner and not as sturdy as gelatin capsules, once they reach the stomach, the acids in the stomach immediately dissolve the veggie capsules. And so therefore, a part, no, or maybe majority of the contents of the veggie caps are left in the stomach. And only a few reach the small intestine, so the absorption is not complete.
Okay.
Actually, when you say food supplements, you are trying to augment the availability of nutrients, no, during times that the person needs it, like in high stress activities, no, emotional, physical, etc. These are some examples when individuals need more supplements. So when you take supplements, you have to make sure that you go beyond the daily requirement of the individual. Like for example, I'll give you an example. Let's say antioxidants, no? Okay, our products have a lot of antioxidants. Antioxidants actually are formed in some organs like the liver. But the liver cannot detoxify all the free radicals and toxins that passes through it. And so therefore the body has to be ready with extra antioxidants, because if not, the liver will suffer, no? It will lead to destruction of the liver cells, fatty liver, and even cirrhosis. So the importance of giving the supplements is that you should have an extra. And so therefore, the usual dose of supplements is that which goes beyond the daily requirement. So in most instances, you should double it. So if one capsule of our glutathione, our Chlorivita, will be equal to the complement of glutathione in the liver, then you should double that at least twice a day, at least 2 capsules a day. That's the minimum. And then depending on the requirement, if you have a sickly patient, a patient with high blood pressure, diabetes, or cancer, you can increase that, because there is no overdose of these supplements. They are easily removed through the kidneys.
Okay.
Supplements, as the name implies, they are not medicines. They are not actual medicines. So, the difference is that when you say no therapeutic effect, it means that it has no direct effect on the disease. Okay? But being supplements, they help in the prevention and the overall treatment of disease by cleaning the cells. Example, our Chlorivita with chlorophyll with a lot of antioxidants, it helps remove free radicals or toxins from the cells. And so therefore, our supplements make the cells ready for the absorption of the true medicines. Okay? So, it has no direct therapeutic effect, but it has an indirect effect on the overall treatment because it allows other medicines to be completely absorbed and so therefore maximized. So, when you say the label is no therapeutic effect, our supplements do not act on the blood pressure itself, but it helps the medicines for blood pressure become more effective. So that's the difference. Whereas the medicine for blood pressure directly lowers the blood pressure. Directly lowers the blood pressure. Our supplement helps the medicine for blood pressure by making the cells available and clean.
Okay.
In fact, that is the recommendation. When you have a maintenance medication, as we have discussed, dun sa no therapeutic effect, it is better that your cells are prepared to receive the maintenance medication. Because if you have cells filled with free radicals and toxins, this is what you call a dirty cell. And it cannot metabolize and receive the medicines for other diseases. So if you have a clean cell, then you have this maintenance medication. 100% of the maintenance medication will be absorbed by the cell because it is clean. And so if 100% is absorbed, then 100% will be utilized. So more effective. So pwede talagang isabay. It can be taken at the same time without any adverse effects.
Okay.
Gold Life products, they are the classic supplements, no? They adhere to the actual definition of what a supplement is, meaning they are natural. It comes from natural sources. There are no chemicals or preservatives, and the dose of natural supplements, like for example, antioxidants in our Chlorivita, is the maximum or the highest compared to any supplement in the industry. And so therefore, patients with different kinds of illnesses who want to recover immediately will be benefited by our high-dose supplement. And of course, in as far as wellness and fitness is concerned and prevention of disease, if you have clean cells because of increase in antioxidant activity, then you will have cells that can readily combat infections and other diseases. So that is what our supplement brings as an advantage. It is a prevention, it will maintain fitness and wellness, and it will help in the treatment of diseases.
Okay.
To the distributors of Gold Life, as I have always emphasized during our many sessions, medical sessions, it's not hard to sell our product because we only mention and we only discuss what is the truth about our products. And what is the truth about our product? Our products are real supplements. They have no therapeutic effects, but being real supplements, they facilitate the treatment of many diseases. So, yun lang po sasabihin ninyo sa mga potential client, and you cannot go wrong.